1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another tutorial. And what do you think about the new setup? We've got these really nice, cool transitions. Really fun. Anyway, go grab the PDF for this lesson. It is very nice and thorough. It's got all the chords and the picking pattern, which is the important parts. And once you have this, you can play the entire song. All right? So for this song, we've got capo on the 5th fret. And thanks so much for Richard in my premium community who suggested this song. I'm only doing requests from the premium community. And if you want to make requests, go check the links in the description. And Richard requested the song, so we did it. All right, so, yeah, there we go. So there's the chords. Now, the only hard chord in the song is the F, which you can use the easy version of F. But anyway, let's just quickly go through them. C. We're just doing, I'm going to go over the picking pattern now, and then A minor, regular one, and E minor. And then F, we do the bar chord F, or the one with the thumb, but this one's pretty tough. Or you can do the easy one like this. Then you just stick to the middle strings to pick. Or you can do that one, or this one, or this one. But that's going to sound the worst. If you want to do the easiest one for the song is this F, the F major 7 with the C in the bass. And then we've got a G chord, just a regular old G, but we're going to take this pinky up here to the 2nd string. Not this one. Or you could play this G, the Wonderwall G. Alright, and then he's got that landslide G. That one which is song landslide. All right, and then we have the picking pattern, which is very simple actually. Just 2 very unique patterns. Not really unique, but you know, kind of like a little bit unique. So we've got the first pattern, which is P, P, I, P, M, P, I. This is P, this is I, this is M. A minor, it's going to sound like this. On the E minor, you just take the thumb up 1, but you leave all the other fingers the same. Because the thumb has to follow the root notes, the first note of the thumb. On the F, easy F, hard F. Now that, so sometimes he gets those high notes in, sometimes on the C, sometimes on the E minor, and on the F. So the way he does that is he just plays the same pattern, but starts it with a pinch. So if we do the C, we're going to start with thumb and ring finger at the bottom, and then continue normally with the pattern. So normal pattern, da, 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 da. Other pattern 2. So because if you look at the progressions, we have these, the C chord sometimes being twice, and then you would go pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 1, pattern 2. You know, but for the A minor is just for 2 beats, so it's, so there's no space really to play the whole, both picking patterns. But on the E minor, that's long again. You know, you can fit it in there. And with the F, it's also, C is short, but the G, he never does that pattern. All right, he just does it sometimes on the C, sometimes on the E minor, and sometimes on the F. Actually, every time. But you get the idea. I mean, I don't want to teach it to you note for note. That's not how I teach, and that's not how I believe you should play. But if there's something specific you want help with, let me know in the community. Haha, you see, plugging the community. Go sign up there. Okay. Anyway, so those two patterns are repeated throughout the song with the long patterns. And then the song just kind of repeats this chord progression. It changes a bit when they do the bridge, and there was where we have the G/B chord. But anyway, let me just play the chorus for you, and then you can just get an idea of what it is like. So intro.
So let me go. I don't wanna be your hero. Be a big man. I just wanna fight with everyone else. Masquerade. I don't wanna be a part of your parade. Everyone deserves a chance to walk with everyone else. While holding down, job to keep my girl around.
Oh, isn't this the most beautiful song? I just love that melody. Anyway, okay, so you get the idea. You can do strumming down, down, up, down, up, down, down. You know, if you want to take it up a pace. For the bridge, let me just play through the bridge. 1, 2. So every time a chord is written, it's 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's written like this, then the A minor is 2 beats and the E minor is 2 beats. Okay, it's a Nashville kind of way. So 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 beats, 4 beats, 4 beats, 4 beats. You get the idea. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What a beautiful song. Okay, go print out the PDF, have fun, you know, see you in the Jooba People community. If you want any lessons, request them there. Have fun. Bye. Stop.